guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing another what's in my bag video, and today I will be showing you what's in my PVC bag that I spoke about in a previous video. I got this bag off of Amazon and I love it because it's so on trend right now, the PVC bags. Chanel has been coming out with a bunch of bags that look exactly like this. This is just kind of like an inspired bag, and then I updated it because the new Chanel collection had a pearl chain, so I just went off of AliExpress and purchased this bag chain to put in the front, so I updated it a little bit. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what's in my bag. Usually in this back pocket I have my phone in here as well, but I just had it out because I was using my phone. So that's usually in this back pocket. This is where I put my cell phone, but just for the purpose of this video I'll take it out. So yeah, let's get right into what's in my bag. I usually use this bag on the weekends as well. So I love this bag. It comes with like a little twisting clasp like this, and then it just flips open like so. So the first thing I have in my bag are these sunglasses. I have these mini sunglasses that I got for $1 at this Chinese dollar store. So basically they're like really small sunglasses, and I love the fact that they're so small because first of all, they're like so on trend right now, small sunglasses, and second of all, it fits perfectly in any bag. It's just so tiny, and you can put this in a clutch, you can put this anywhere, and it just comes in real clutch. It just comes in really handy because you can have your sunglasses with you all the time, and it's kind of different from having a big sunglass that takes up a lot of space in your bag. So this is like a nice thing to have in a day-to-day carry because it's so convenient. And yes, these are so on trend. They look a little bit funny, but I've gotten used to it by now and I really like the look of them. And yeah, I basically found this at like this weird Chinese department store, dollar store, department store thing, and even the lady at the cashier was making fun of me for buying these, but I thought they were so cool and I just loved the look of them. I saw Kendall Jenner wearing a pair of sunglasses just like these, and I thought if she can pull them off, maybe I can too. So I'm trying out the trend as well. So that's in there. Yeah, so the next thing that's in my bag is this right here. You guys all know that I'm a planner addict. So this is my planner. This is my pocket planner, and this is the Louis Vuitton multicolor agenda in the PM size. And I love this because it has like it just has all my scheduling and everything in here, and I love it because it's so small and compact and it keeps me really organized, and I just love it. It's so cute and small. Yeah. Next thing in my bag, I guess I can show you guys, is my card holder. This is my current card holder. I got this at the Orlando, Florida Premium Outlets. And it's a Burberry card holder. I love this. I love the leather. It's so soft, and I love the old school print, and I think it looks really nice in a PVC bag as well, because right now these old prints are all coming back into style. Same with the multicolor print. It's all of these things are coming back into style, into fashion now, so it's really nice that I can use a PVC bag and show these small leather goods that I have that are in these trendy prints, and it's kind of like adding to that whole vibe. So I love this card holder because it's so spacious. You can put so many cards in there, and I absolutely love it, and I love the feel of it. It's really nice. The leather is so soft, and I love the black on gold with the regular plaid print, the Burberry, the Burberry print. So love that. So the next thing I have in here, as you can see, I have a snack. I get hungry really easily, so I always have like a bit of a snack with me, either biscuits or something. Right now I just have some green tea. I love Kit Kat, and I just have some green tea Kit Kat. And then I also have the lips that I'm wearing at the moment, which is this matte pink Dior Lip Glow, which I really love. This one is the matte pink one, and I love it because it's very natural, and it's like, it just enhances your regular lip color, and I love it because it's matte and it's not like super glossy, so it looks very, very natural, as if you have like naturally pink lips. The next thing I have in here is kind of my, as you can see, my cosmetics pouch, which is back here. And I love this cosmetics pouch. It's kind of in the same style as the card holder that I have, but it's in the red leather. I actually got this as a gift. My friend Tiffany got this for me. And in here is just like a bunch of toiletry stuff. So I have a sanitizer, a hand cream, I have this Guerlain Lip Bullet, which I love as well. This one's really nice. It's like, again, like a little case like this, which is a mirror, and then it has the bullet in here. And this one also changes color to a natural shiny pinky hue. So this is different from that lip glow one because the lip glow one is matte and then this one's a glossy version. And I just love the packaging. When I was going through customs as well, they stopped me because they thought this was a weapon, but it's just like so sick. Look at this. It's like a spaceship, and then you have a little mirror so you can see your own application of lipstick. I love it. Love this. So that's in there in this little pouch. And I love this little pouch because this little pouch actually fits a lot of things. The next thing I have is this right here. This is from Muji, and it is a tape measurer. So you can like measure your neck, your chest, and whatever you want to measure. If you don't want to try on clothes and you're out shopping and you have really complicated clothing on, such as rompers or bodysuits or whatever, and you just don't feel like trying on clothes, this is what I use to do my own measurements then and there, and then I measure the clothes to see if I could fit in them. So then it's like less of a likelihood that I'll have to drive back to return the items because I know that thing will fit. Whether or not the cutting is good and everything, that's another story, but it just saves me a lot of time and trouble. Also, if I'm online shopping, this is a really great tool as well, because if I'm on say Fashion Nova, I want to buy some clothes, they'll have the dimensions on there, and sometimes I don't know, like I either fit, it's so weird for me with clothes, I can fit in a small, medium, and a large depending on what that clothing item is. It's just the shape of my body is like really weird because I'm short, first of all, but I'm also very curvy, but I don't have like a big stomach. Like I have kind of like a narrow waist, so I fluctuate in clothing sizes all the time. So this is really handy for me because I can measure out my size, and it has a little button right here in the middle, and then it just goes back in. Love this, and it fits really easily in this little pouch. Another thing I have in this pouch is a mini Dior Lip Maximixer. This is a pink lip gloss, kind of like a clear lip gloss, but it has a plumping effect, so if you want bigger lips, this is what you go for. I got this in like a free Sephora gift set. What else do I have in here? I have a lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk, and then I also have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk bullet lipstick. So this is if I want to add a little bit of more of an opaque color. I really love this lipstick combo because it looks really natural, and it just goes with any makeup look that I have at the moment, so I love to have this on hand. So that's that. So all of these things actually fit really, really well into this little pouch. That's why I love this pouch so much. It comes in so handy, and see, I'm just like stuffing it, and it's still, there's still room in there, so you can fit so many things. I can put my hand cream, and I can put the hand sanitizer as well, and it just zips up super easily. See all the things that fit in this? I love this so much. My friend got this for me, and she's just brilliant when it comes to luxury products. But this little pouch is amazing. You can fit so many things in there. You can even put like feminine hygiene products and little alcohol wipes. I've had so many things stuffed in this little bag. It's just amazing as a cosmetics bag. So that's in there. The final thing that's in my bag is my wallet. I love this wallet. I just got this at the Prada outlet at a premium outlet mall, and I got this for such a good discount. And when I saw this, I immediately fell in love. I mean, the leather is amazing. It's in this soft lambskin leather, and just the color and the shine, the metallic shine, it's so bright. They had this in gold as well and silver, but out of all of the leathers and all of the tones, the blue, ice blue one, this one was just the most magnificent, and it catches the light so well, and it's beautiful. It looks like this. It's all the same metallic leather on the inside. So you have your money pouch at the back, and then you have a coin, like a coin pouch over here, and then you have a bunch of card slots. But I don't have that many cards in it because I use this little card holder. But I just love this wallet. It's so beautiful. Out of all my wallets, I think this is one of my top favorites, and it's super, super thin. So if you're switching out your bags and whatever, it fits in every single bag. It fits in a small clutch. It fits in very narrow, what do you call those, hand clutches. It fits in small camera bags, everything. It fits in every single bag. So I just love this so, so much. And yeah, that's what I use to carry my physical money. But all my cards are in this little guy as well. So as you can see, the way I organize my bags is just by using a bunch of small leather goods. And when it comes to small leather goods, I love to pick out things that are unique and really pretty, so that yeah, I don't know, it just makes me happy. And I started this collection anyways, so I'm just continuing on with it, and it just looks really great in my little PVC bag. And this is kind of like my weekend bag. When I during the week I have a work bag that is not PVC obviously, but all the things fit in perfectly, and I just love it so much. So my sunglasses, and then my little snack, my little Kit Kat, and yeah, that's about it. And then this bag is really great because it's kind of high, so it domes over your products, and then it just clasps like this. And then at the back, I love that it has this little pocket right here, so I could just fit my phone. And if you guys are interested in getting this PVC bag, and I love it because I'm always using my phone, so it's fine to have it back here, and it does actually fit in the main compartment. So if you're like at the movie theaters or somewhere where you don't need quick access to your phone, you can actually also fit it inside the bag. Let me just open the bag up right now, and you can actually fit it at the back like so. So it fits inside the bag as well. So that is what's in my bag currently. I love all of the things that I carry with me on a day-to-day basis. I actually switch out and use the same little pouches in my regular 9-to-5 workday bag as well, but this is just what I kind of carry on the weekends, and those are all the items that I have with me at all times. And obviously my car key, but that's in a different pouch right now. But yeah, that's that. So I love that. This has been kind of my setup for the current summer months, and I love the way that I customized this bag with the new pearl chain. Really excited about this. I got so many compliments on this bag, it's ridiculous. People are really into it, and when I tell them I only got it for like under $50 off of Amazon.com, like people just went nuts, and I guess everybody else is trying to get their hands on this as well. But I'm really happy with it. I'm actually considering buying the black version as well, but I feel like the gold is like a little bit more me. I wear a lot of gold jewelry, and it just like contrasts really nice with that as well. But yeah, it comes in black and I believe silver as well. But that's that. Yeah, that's my what's in my bag video updated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and if you have any more suggestions for other videos for me to film, please leave it down in the comments below. I will link all the things that I spoke about in this video down in the description box below. Some of the luxury small leather good items I probably won't be able to link because I got most of them at an outlet, at luxury outlet stores, and usually those are not on the main website. But maybe I'll try on eBay or something and link those down below for you if I can. And yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.